Hi everybody, my name is Kubun Hao. I am one of the ENG 1060 tutors for this semester. As you have known, the university and the campus has decided to go for online learning for the entire semester 1. Therefore, Dr. Adia, myself and the other tutors will work together to prepare resources to guide you through this online learning experience which might be new to you. In this video, I would like to introduce a few exciting features that we have developed to guide you through the online computer lab activities while you learn from home, as well as to prepare you to cope with the final exam. The first features that I would like to introduce to you is the computer lab forum. In ENG 1060 Moodle site, look for the discussion forums block, click on it so that it will bring you to the discussion forum section. Scroll downwards and look for the computer lab forum for your computer lab group according to the timetable in Allocate Plus. Click on the title, it will bring you into the forum. Okay, this is what you will see inside a computer lab forum. The computer lab forum provides information on what you should do as well as when to do so. Let's look at the online activities column. The buttons in this column tells you what you should do. In simple steps, they are as simple as step 0 to step 5, from how to get the lab questions to how do you appeal for incorrect marks. You can click on the button to expand and view more details. And when you're done with this step, you can click the button again to hide the details and continue with the next step. The second features that I would like to introduce to you is the Google Forms. The Google Forms allow you to work at your own pace while you're learning from home. Please make certain that you read carefully everything given in this form so that you do not miss out any computer lab tasks as well as you do not miss out any marks. Now let's go into this form one by one and we will start with the first Google form. The first Google form allows you to perform a self-check on how much you have learned. If you are honest in providing the answers, you will get accurate feedback. If you receive high score, it means that you have learned well and rather familiar with the topics related to this lab. After you have completed the remaining steps, you can move on to the next topic or the next lab. If you have received a relatively lower score in this first Google form, it simply means that you need to put in more time and more effort, perhaps to do more revision on the related topics. Now, what I would like to highlight to you is the type of feedback that you will receive in the first Google form. If after you have submitted this Google form, you'll be able to know what is the correct answer as well as feedback for this question. The interesting type of feedback that I would like to highlight is this type of feedback that indicates the option A, B, C, D, E is a high distinction answer, credit answer, pass answer, or a fail answer. The H, D, D, C, P, and F answer means that if you follow the instruction or action given in this option, you stand a chance to bring your final score of this unit closer to which one of this grade: high distinction, credit, pass, or fail. Now, let me tell you more about the second Google form. The second Google form allows you to submit your lab work. Right after you have submitted this second Google form, you will be able to receive a preliminary feedback on your answers. Do not panic if your answers is marked as wrong, because the tutors will double check all the answers that has been marked as wrong. All you need to do is wait for the final marks to be released in Moodle grade. After that, if you still have any answers that is marked as wrong, that means those answers are really wrong. Now, let me tell you one small secret based on what we have experienced and observed in the past 10 years. We have seen that students who put in their own effort and work on the computer lab activities by themselves, they usually score very well in the final exam and score very well in the final grade. For those students who get the correct answer from their friends all the time, they will be able to score very well in the 30% internal marks, but they will score very badly in the 70% final exam, or even unable to meet the hurdle requirements of the final exam and hence fail the unit. We have another features that I would like to introduce to you is how to get help for the online computer lab activities. We have embedded several ways for you to get help. One is in step 0, the YouTube playlist, which contains video explanation that might be helpful to you, like this video that you're watching now. The Google form provide feedback to you that helps you to gauge how well you have learned, how much you have achieved from learning from home. Okay, based on the question that you have posted in the discussion forum, if we identified that there is a need to discuss with you, we will invite you to join us in a Zoom meeting session so that we could discuss your issue further. You can also make use of this forum itself to post questions related to any doubts that you have. Okay, you can just post your question and we will respond to your questions according to the guidelines given under step 3. Okay, and finally, if you have problem with marks, after the final mark has been released in Moodle Grade, you can come to step 5, look for the email of the tutor for your computer lab group and email them so that they could check and rectify the marks if there is any mistake. Now, one last thing that I would like to highlight is that when you want to ask us a question, try your best to tell us what you are able to understand, whether it's from the workshop or from the lab task, and after that, tell us what you cannot or unable to understand. With these two information, we will be able to gauge your understanding and help you to fill the knowledge gap that you have. Okay, that's all that I would like to explain to you in this video. Finally, do not bother to like this video because it is not for profit. Do not bother to comment below the video because commenting has been disabled. And do not bother to subscribe to this channel because there will be no notification sent when I upload any new video. If any new video has been uploaded or has been prepared, you will receive the information about new videos in the Computer Lab forum itself. Thank you very much for watching. See you.